Well, hey, this is Oz the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from a favorite of Malaysia. This is MyKuali. What? Finish your lunch. MyKuali white fish broth, rice, vermicelli. That's what's going on today. 3 minutes on the boil, stir everything up, you're good. And I hope you are good on this beautiful spring day. It is April 28th, where I'm sitting. Yeah, April 28th. What do you think of that? 3 minutes and 400 milliliters of water. Let's do our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Endo Speaks, quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 282, eating and sports are the two axles of health. Eating. Yeah. So I've been getting like ultra competitive again on the Fitbit jump. Last week I did like 110 miles of walking. That's like 6 hours a day every day or more. Crazy, isn't it? Yeah. That's nice. What did you do today? I walked 15 miles. I walked 20 miles. Oh, what happened? Did your car break down? I don't drive. Whoa. Yeah. Some people just, like, I've had people say, why don't you just run? You can do so much more. It's like, okay, first off, that's less mileage on my joints to walk. Hi, Miles. I'm doing my show. What are you doing? Are ya? Are you having a good day? Do you have a good day?
Yeah.
Good. Hi, Mimi. Did you finish your lunch? Yes or no? Go finish your lunch. Every day, same fight. Finish your damn lunch, little girl. I'm gonna have to send her to baby jail. Non-listeners go to baby jail. "50 seconds? How do we have 50 seconds left? That's enough. So, an ingredient I'm going to use in these noodles is something I've never used before in any of my reviews. Mainly because of the cost prohibitive nature of it. But it was 50 cents off because they're going to go bad at their Best Buy tomorrow. So I'm like, okay. They're, I think it's a deep sea smoked. Shush! Time out! I got them quiet. Smoked scallops. And I tried them earlier. In fact, Mimi actually ate one or two, and she was surprisingly amenable to that kind of thing. I'm ready. Mimi, go take a time out. Then shush. Good God. All right, let's take a look at this without. I think right about there. Yeah. Yeah, she has a big problem with simmering down. However, on the flip side, we had a nice meeting with all of my son's teachers today. didn't know, my son has autism. And so we have this thing called an IEP. Go eat your lunch! Fucking Christ, kid. Anyway, got an IEP, and he's been, like, they set new goals and stuff, and he gets them. He's like, he works his butt off. Proud of my guy. That's good. Wow, this really thickened up. Like really thick. I'm working on stuff. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Just for God's sake, leave me alone for like 10 minutes and don't burn down the house. That's the dream of every parent, right? I love you so much, now get out of my hair and don't burn the house down. It's like the whole concept. Wow, I wonder what the kids are doing. Yeah, it's really quiet. Oh crap. Come on. Stir and stir. This stuff really sucked up the liquid. I used what it called for. Called for 400, I believe. If it didn't, I have more. $400 mils. And that's what's in this pot. I think it'll be fine. It's going to be very, very serious business. Alright, let's try some of this super serious business. Bihun. Mimi, eat your lunch. I think she's like ripping something to shreds out there. Look at that. Just look at that. My apologies to the wonderful folks at MyKuali of Malaysia for having children that are interrupting what I'm trying to portray here. But I think they probably mostly have children there too and understand. Okay. Whoa, let's get you centered. No, I want you nicely centered. I don't usually like using just a stark white bowl, but since it's white fish broth, that seems kind of fitting. Look at that. Go do your thing. I'm working. Strangulation. I remember looking at the packaging and it had tomatoes on it. So that's why. Got a couple slices of tomato here. It also looked like it had a big chunk of fish, but I thought, why not? I'll try these scallops, and I seared them, and they're freaking wonderful. So here's some seared scallops. Smoked seared scallops. Yeah.
My daughter is in big, big dookie trouble. I think I know exactly what she's doing. Alright, and a little bit of sesame seed. Yeah, eat your lunch, Mimi. You leave Miles's paperwork alone. And a little bit pepper flake. And that, yeah. Let's find a new song for this too. It is not a rainbow. Oh. Yeah. Alright, new song. Let's have it be something good. That's alright. Awesome stuff from MyKuali. Thank you for shooting it over. Super stoked. The rice vermicelli one is amazing as well. It's a little late if I was going to come out with a top 10 rice noodle list this year. I might still, but if I did, this would definitely be, yeah. What do we got next? Ace is high, baby. This is the sriracha ramen noodle. And this is official. This is Hui Fong. I mean, look at that. I love this label. Good logo design, good color. Make sure that you can see it. Yeah, this is a chicken one. The last one I did was original and it was quite good. So we'll see this one next. DC and Mall. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.